Well, you guys, I made my plate. I had neck bone, rice over the brown gravy. And if you guys want to see how I make this, just keep watching this video and you guys will see how I make it. I'm telling you guys, I can say this is the best southern neck bone rice, gravy over rice. Yeah, look at that, you guys. Look at that rice. I even got a little professional with the rice. Yes. It's so tender, you guys. It's just falling off the bone. Let me show you. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. And that's what you call some good neck bone. Here, you guys could get that part. I don't mind. Wow. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Sorry about that, you guys. I'm so hungry. Like, comment on this video up. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my cooking channel, but you're always coming back to see what I'm cooking, please subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And again, like I said, if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. And I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. And this is what I'm drinking on, my favorite drink. Okay, so I just gave y'all guys, you guys want another bite of the neck bone? Boy, look at that. Wow. Go ahead, I don't mind. Take that bite. Oops. Yeah, that's meat. You gotta look at it. It's just falling off the bone. Go ahead. You can take the second bite. And yeah, look at that rice. Go ahead. Y'all want some rice as well? I know it's gonna fall apart, but that's what it's all about. Go ahead. Wow. Guys got the first bite of the rice? Wow. That's good. Wow. Get some of that meat. Go ahead. Wow. Look at that meat. That's how they eat in East Texas with their finger. Wow. That is good, you guys. I guarantee. Look at that. That meat, you can tell that meat is tender. But anyway, I'm going to get out of here, you guys. Finger looking good. I took that picture right there. All right. If you guys want to see how I make this dinner, just keep watching this video. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye. That's good. Put that over there. Take a picture. Wow. And look at that. Look at that meat. Wow. That's a good picture right there, you guys. All right, bye-bye.
Everybody should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back again and again. Till I see your face, I won't be satisfied.
Okay, you guys. It is ready. Ooh. Let me show you. See how the gravy is. Look at that. Wow. Just look at that. That light. It's kind of like I'm trying. But look. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Look how brown the gravy is. Look. That's how you want it. It ain't watery. Just the right contents. Wow. And again, like I said, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. To show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Down this video up. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. By that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Wow. Hope you guys, if you got inspired by this neck bone gravy, give my recipe a try out, okay? Alrighty, and I'm Mr. Megan. Okay, so this is the end of my cooking show. Okay? Look at that. Alright. I'll see you guys in the next upload video.